In this video, you'll learn why signing up for email newsletters from other law firms is one of the best things you can do from a marketing and business development perspective. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, competitive intelligence via email. If you're a business, you need to be monitoring what your competitors are doing. It almost goes without saying, that's a fundamental part of running a business and growing a business is keeping an eye on your competitors. Well, guess what? Law firms and lawyers in those firms have to do the same thing. Same thing goes for marketers and business developers at those firms. They should be keeping an eye on what their competitors are doing. Now, sometimes competitors might be geographically based. They might be competitors from a substantive practice area standpoint, whatever way you would consider a competitor, you need to be monitoring what they're doing. And one of the best ways to do that is through simply signing up for their email newsletters. That will help you from a marketing and business development standpoint understand what they are doing, and you can tweak your efforts accordingly. So for example, if you sign up for an email newsletter from another firm and you get one email every quarter, well, that tells you they are most likely not marketing to their clients and referral sources directly via email very often, right? Once a quarter is not enough to effectively market to your clients and referral sources. If they are marketing once a week, well, that tells you that they're frequently doing it, and you can measure, you can benchmark what you're doing against them. So there's frequency, there's actually content. What are people writing about? Are these law firms writing about developments in the law and developments in their practices, such as them securing certain wins for clients? Or are they just talking about what lawyers are doing in terms of speaking engagements and volunteer efforts with charitable organizations in the community? What they are spotlighting in their email is evidence or clues as to how their marketing and business development is going. If they are not pushing out content from their attorneys, thought leadership content covering case developments or developments in the law or from administrative agencies, that tells you that they're either not creating that content or that they aren't smart enough to distribute it. So that gives you an opportunity to maybe create more content, or maybe to email the same people that these people might be emailing to further build your authority and try to position yourself as the go-to law firm or lawyer in that particular practice area or geography. Look at typography. Look at how the layout is. Is it clean? Is it screwy? Does it look nice on both the large desktop monitor and a cell phone, or only on one or perhaps none? These are all things you can learn from your competitors that can help you build your own thought leadership marketing program and your general content marketing program. And perhaps most importantly, you can tell by the content they're writing what direction their practice is going. I've recently recorded a video about using content to call your shot like Babe Ruth, and you can somewhat extrapolate based on the content that your competitors are writing whether they are pursuing certain kinds of cases, whether they're moving into new areas. So for example, if a general white collar practice all of a sudden starts talking more about cryptocurrency and federal bribery, well, that might signify that they are moving toward those niches or those practice groups, and should give you food for thought. Well, gee, if they're moving toward that direction, should I be doing it too? I'm not suggesting that you receiving email newsletters from your competitors is going to be the end-all be-all in terms of competitive intelligence and is the only thing you should be doing to monitor how your competitors are faring at a particular time. But what I'm suggesting is it is a stupid easy way for you to at least start that competitive intelligence process, and more importantly, help you understand where you should be going with your content. Again, you can tell by what they're with the frequency with which they're publishing whether you have an opportunity to publish more frequently, because you're likely targeting the same audience, whether it's geography or substantive practice area, whether you have the opportunity to start creating different kinds of content that might be more geared to what your clients are looking for, but which your competitors are not providing. If you have any questions about how to create that kind of content and how to create a thought leadership or content marketing strategy that actually results in developing books of business, check out lawfirmedgehealthservice.com. We have plenty of blogs and videos like this that can help you do just that.